In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align lines using Canva tips and tricks. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Canva, or someone looking to refine your design skills, this guide will help you create perfectly aligned projects with ease. First, let's open up Canva and get started. As soon as your design project loads, head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File option. Doing this gives you access to a drop-down menu filled with different settings and options that we might not use every day, but are extremely handy for tasks like this one. Once you've clicked on File, move your cursor to hover over the Settings option. You don't need to click just yet, simply hovering over it will reveal more settings. It's a subtle yet powerful feature that lets you access some hidden gems to enhance your design work. Among these options, you'll find Show Rulers and Guides. Click on this and you'll immediately notice rulers appearing on the top and side edges of your canvas. This is an essential step as it gives you a grid to work within and ensures the precision of your alignment for symmetry and professionalism in your design. Now that the rulers are visible, let's move on to the fun part, dragging and dropping our alignment lines. Starting from the top of the canvas, click and hold on the ruler, then drag downwards. You'll see a guideline appearing. Aim to drop this line right in the center of your canvas. These guidelines help segment your design area into neat, manageable sections and serve as a reference point for placing and aligning design elements easily. Next, we'll do the same from the side. Move your cursor over to the ruler on the left side of the canvas. Click, hold, and drag a line towards the center of the canvas. You'll create another guide that intersects with your first line, forming a cross that perfectly divides your canvas into 4 equal sections. This is an excellent way to ensure that everything is balanced and symmetrical, as the guidelines act like a visual target for aligning your text, images, and other elements precisely. And there you have it, a straightforward way to align lines using Canva's built-in tips and tricks. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create visually appealing designs that are well organized and balanced. Remember, these guidelines won't show up on your final design. They're purely there to help you create something fantastic. So, practice these steps, apply them in your upcoming projects, and watch as your design skills elevate to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on design tools. Thank you for watching and happy designing.